Simplify. 4y times 2. 4y times 2, we multiply the numbers. 4 times 2, it gives you 8, and you write the y, so it's 8y. 6 times 8x. 6 times 8x, you do 6 times 8 is 48, and you write the x, so it's 48x. 2a times 4b, you do 2 times 4 is 8. A times b gives you ab. So the answer is ab. Part D. C times 5c. C times 5c, you multiply c times c, it gives you c squared, because it's like c to the power 1 and times c to the power 1. You add 1 plus 1, it gives you 2. So it's 5c squared. 7a times 2a, part E. 7 times 2, it gives you 14. A times a, it gives you a squared, because a times a, there's a 1 at the top, 1 at the top, 1 plus 1, it gives you 2. But F, 24x divided by 4. 24x divided by 4. You do the numbers first. 24 divided by 4, it gives you 6. And you write the x. That gives you 6x. I would like you to try the other ones. The formula v is equals to square root of u squared plus 2as gives the final speed v of a car whose initial speed is u, acceleration is a, and displacement is s. Find the value of v to 3 significant figures if necessary, when u is 10, a is 3, and s is 7. And part B, when u is minus 3.6, a is 9.8, and s is 15.3. So what we do is, I highlight the important things in the question. 3 significant figure, value for u, value for a, and the value for s. First thing you do is, you write down the formula. V is equals to square root of u squared plus 2as. We sub in the number. U is 10. So it's 10 squared plus 2 times a is 3 times s is 7. You put all of that in your calculator, you get 11.9 to 3 significant figure. For part B, you write down the formula first and you start to substitute the value. The value for u is 3 minus 3.6, and you put that in bracket and square it, plus 2 times a is 9.8 and s is 15.3. And if you put all of that in your calculator, you will get 17.7 for the value of v. The total resistance R in a circuit with resistors R1 and R2 in parallel is given by the formula 1 over R is equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. Find R in the following cases to 3 significant figures if necessary. R1 is 2 ohms, R2 is 2 ohms. For part B, R1 is 3 ohms and R2 is 4 ohms. To do this type of question, It's important to highlight the formula first. 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 is equals to 1 over R. So you write down the formula first and you sub in the number. R1 is 2, so sub in 2 first. R2 is 2, sub in 2. Half plus half is a whole, which is 1. And you can cross multiply to get the value for R, and R1 will be 1 ohms. And for part B, you write down the formula first and you sub in the numbers. R1 is 3, R2 is 4. So 1 over R is equals to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. It gives you 7 over 12. Now you can cross multiply. R times 7 is R7 or 7R. 1 times 12 is 12. Now you divide by 7. R is 12 divided by 7, which is 1.71 ohms. Multiply out 2 brackets A plus B. That means 2 times A at 2 times B. It gives you 2A plus 2B. Expand, it means multiply out. 5n times 2n. 5 times 2 is 10. N times n is n squared. 5n times 3. 5n times 3, it gives you 5 times 3 is 15, and that gives you 15n. So the answer is 10n squared plus 15n. Simplify. 4y times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and you write the y, so it's 8y. Part B, 6 times 8x. 6 times 8 is 48, and you write the x. For part C, 2a times 4b. 2 times 4, it gives you 8. A times b, it gives you ab. For part D, c times 5c. C times c, it gives you c squared, because it's like c to the power 1 times c to the power 1. 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And you write it as 5c squared. For part E, 7a times 2a. 7a times 2a. You do 7 times 2, it gives you 14. A times a is like a to the power 1 times a to the power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 14a squared. For part F, 24x divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6, and you write the x. So the answer is 6x.